This week's Seder, we see the Inyan of Avodim, which Evet Ivri, which is 6 years. Evet Kanani is something else until Yovel. Was the question exactly, why is it such a problem if someone becomes an Evet? The might say it's a gewaltige Sache. A person becomes an Evet to his Adoin. The world is nicht hefker. Why is it a big chitzon? Why do we see that because the person becomes an Evet, he has to take his ear, his master takes the ear, makes a hole in his ear, and says, puts in it like a simon, and says, you are Evet 6 years, v'chulu v'chulu. Ma ro oizen, lirotza mikol shai vorim shve baguf. Omer Rabbi Yochanan ben Zakkai, the ear which heard on Har Sinai not to steal, and he went to steal. Now he can't pay back his money. He stole 10,000 bucks. He can't pay back. He hasn't got money to pay back. Nothing. How should he pay back? So you see, the person tells him, Etzachaim, you work in my house. So let me give you wages. The wages I give you, you'll pay back the choiv. And he works in his house. And if he has one pillow, he has to give the balaboit. The balaboit has to give him the pillow. If he's got one comfortable chair, he has to take it. But you can see from here, what is the chisorin? Is there at all any chisorin that this Evet says, Avtis, Adoinis, Ishtis, Bona, v'chulu, v'chulu? He wants to stay in the house there, and they take his ear to the doorpost, and they make like a hole in the ear, like they put a stempel over there. So Rav Steinman says we don't find by any Avera that someone has this inyan of making into the ears, like you make like a hole there, you make a stempel in the ear. Why? Why is it like that? Matam that this person gets bimyuchat martzea, you take a chisel, make a hole in his ear. Why is it like that? So Shimon says a gewaltige word. He says a word like this. We have to be avodim of Melech Malchei Amlochem HaKadosh Baruch Hu. The second this person hasn't got any freedom, he's completely devoted to the master of the house. Once he has to clean the floors, then he has to clean the carpet, then he has to wash the windows, then he has to do this, he has to do that. Round the clock he's busy with his master. That is a chisorin of Evet Hashem. Because if he would be Evet Hashem, then what will be? Posher Azoy, Evet Hashem. But since this person now he's bowing down, for example, to his balabais, so he can't be Evet Hashem. He can't be Evet Hashem. Dema bekach. Aber mechiras atzmoi le'avdus le'adam. This is a steer in Avdus of Melech Malchei Amlochim. Dal yedei shemishtabed la'adoinoi. Since he's meshubed to his master, he cannot be ibegegeben. He can't be like bowing down completely to his balabais. He can't be Avdus to Hashem. Why? Because he's busy with his master. That's what Chisom we see. Now Steinman explains it in the beginning of Parsha about Avodim, which is the gear to every single one of us. Each person gets money and health and house and furniture. What HaKadosh Baruch Hu gives to him. What is it if someone takes it from the other guy under the table and he steals it? It's not his. It doesn't belong to him. And if a person's got like a chaydak, a germ in his pocket, because he has money in his pocket, belongs to other people, then the Gemara being the measures being done, his tefillah is not answered. So the person loses out of it. But the person cannot be Evet Hashem Gansin completely. That's why over here on this Inyan, you do martzea, you put it in the ear to show the person it's his fault. He has to work now for the balabos and not be in freedom, not to be freedom completely. Eitzel Melech Malchei Amlochim HaKadosh Baruch Hu.